Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best knee pillow on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Contour Knee Pillow. The Contour Knee Pillow is a revolutionary product designed to reduce various forms of discomfort caused by post-sleeping posture. The uniquely shaped cushion comfortably supports the legs and knees while offering effective pain relief from pain in the back, hips, sciatica nerve, legs, and knees. The ergonomic design of the pillow is intended to support both the legs and knees for maximum comfort and alignment during sleep. What we like about it: contours to hip and knee joints. Aligns body correctly to alleviate pain. The removable cover is easy to wash. The smaller size is convenient for travel. What we don't like about it: may get too warm for some users. Number 2. Everlasting Comfort Knee Pillow. This Everlasting Comfort Knee Pillow is an excellent choice for anyone who struggles with chronic hip, leg, and lower back pain. This knee pillow contours to the body's shape for a customized fit, providing a soft and supportive foundation for the lower body. The hourglass shape is designed to fit between the legs to prevent knee clashing, while the adjustable strap ensures that the pillow stays in place all night long. The memory foam material provides pressure relief to help reduce discomfort and improve sleep quality. What we like about it: does not retain body heat. Comfortable and helps relieve back pain. The strap helps keep the pillow in position. What we don't like about it: too high and firm for petite individuals. Number 3. 5 Stars United Knee Pillow. This knee pillow is a high-quality, medical-grade pillow designed to improve sleep quality and relieve pain in the hip, joint, spine, and sciatic nerve regions. This innovative orthopedic pillow has been proven to significantly reduce the occurrence of restless leg syndrome as well as the discomfort associated with pregnancy, recovery from surgery, or other medical treatments. The uniquely designed shape provides optimal support when you're sleeping on your side, allowing the upper and lower knees to remain separated with the correct spacing between them. What we like about it: takes away most people's knee pain. Helps side sleepers reduce hip pain. Can easily be washed as needed. What we don't like about it: not enough padding in the middle. Number 4. Vaughan Knee Pillow. The Vaughan Knee Pillow is a great solution for those looking to reduce back, leg, and hip discomfort while they sleep. This ergonomically designed cushion fits snugly between the knees to provide maximum support and comfort throughout the night. The pillow is made from a high-quality durable memory foam that won't flatten over time, ensuring long-lasting quality. With its contoured design, this cushion helps keep the legs, hips, and spine in proper alignment, improving circulation for a more restful night of sleep. What we like about it: helps ease sciatica pain. Improves knee pain due to arthritis. Excellent head and neck support. What we don't like about it: can be too firm for some people. Number 5. Natu Max Knee Pillow. This knee pillow for side sleepers is designed with comfort and pain relief in mind. The memory foam pillow fits snugly between the legs, providing ideal alignment for the hips, knees, and back. It is especially useful for those who suffer from pain as a result of sciatica pregnancy. It also helps with discomfort from the back, legs, hips, and joints. Aside from being comfortable, the pillow allows for multiple positions. It improves blood circulation while reducing aches and pains. What we like about it: prevents hip joints from aching. Separation between knees for strain relief. What we don't like about it: not suitable for heavier legs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.